Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make kidney beans salad, which is full of protein and fresh vegetables. The ingredients for this salad are 1 red onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 red pepper, a little bit cilantro, 1 can of corn, and I cook 2 cups of kidney bean, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a big bowl to mix everything. I start by cutting my vegetables first. To make the dressing, I'm gonna take out the juice of 1 lemon. Then I'm gonna add about 6 to 7 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of black pepper, and then mix it very well. I'm chopping my cilantro last. You could substitute cilantro with parsley or basil if you prefer. All my vegetables are cut and ready. I'm gonna mix the salad. First I'm gonna add the kidney beans. Then I'm gonna add the corn. Next I'm gonna put the red onion and red pepper, and I'm gonna drizzle my dressing on top and mix everything very well. Now I'm gonna add tomatoes and cucumbers and the cilantro on top and mix everything very well. This salad is very easy to make. You could substitute any of the ingredients with your favorite ingredient. Put the salad in the refrigerator for an hour and then it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe and try to make it at home. I appreciate your support and thank you for watching.